Hello, Tasfai here from the Tutorial Academy. That is our fifth series of videos on English Oromo for communication purposes, specifically for non-native speakers. We've been doing this video especially on greetings recently, and we going to do the same on the same topic. Today we're going to see some members of the family, because in greetings we know family members are the first to ask in Oromo, as is in any other language. So we're gonna see what we call each member of a close family in Oromo, and then take some examples to how to ask greetings for those people. So let's go. Father is Abba, very common in many languages. Abba, Abba ko, my father. Abba. Mother, in different Oromo areas we call different names. Hada, specifically mother. Arme, meaning like mom. Ayo is also more of like calling mom. Hada ko, arme ko, ayo ko, my mom. Okay, different names in different areas. Actually, where I was born and grown up, we call Hada ko, Hada. We call mama as just Abba, as very common calling for mama. Brother, we have seen this, Obboles. Obboles, in our previous lesson we have seen about this. Sister, Obboleti, we also have seen this in a previous lesson. Grandfather, Akaka. Akaka, grandfather, this can be father's dad or mother's dad. Okay, Akaka. Grandmother, Akko. Akko, this can be father's mom or mother's mom. Akko. More to come. For a boy, we call it Ira. Ira. We also call Gurba, but I'm gonna see how we can use Durba for a girl. So if this is more about gender, Ira, Durba. Okay. So for a female, we call Dubarti. Durba is for teen, for young girls. For a lady, for a woman, we call Dubarti. Dubarti. For a man, Ira still refers to the same as a boy. It's Ira. This is also gender. For son, we call Elma. Now this is more of a relationship and gender. Elma, son, is a relationship, also referring to also gender. Elma. Elma. For a daughter, we call Intala. Intala. So meaning is daughter. So uncle, we call Esuma. Esuma. This is mother's brother. Okay, mother's brother. In other Oromo areas, there is a different name. We're gonna update you on that. Esuma is mother's brother. Another uncle, Wasila, is father's brother. Father's brother. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see Adada. aunt, adada, adada. So aunt is adada. Aunt is both mother's sister and the father's sister, both called adada. Adada. Okay, these are the close family members and how we refer them in different settings, like when we want to refer them in gender setting or in relationship setting, like I'm referring to here boy and son. Okay, they are different. Boy and a man, both referring to gender. Durba and intala in gender relationship and in family relationship as well. Okay, let's see greeting. How is your dad? I was an abbaan kee fayyaadha. Abbaan kee fayyaadha. Abbaan kee akkam. Abbaan kee fayyaa. Abbaan kee nagumaa. Abbaan kee fayyumaa. You can use any of these. And if a replier is there, fayyada, he is fine. Fayyada, that's enough. Or he can say abbaan koo fayyada. Abbaan koo fayyada. Abbaan koo nagaasaati. Abbaan koo fayyada. You can say any of this. Galatoomi, galatoomi. Kan kee hoo, kan kee hoo. So a complete communication with somebody who you want to ask about his father. Abbaan kee akkam? Abbaan kee fayyaadha. Fayyaadha, abbaan koo fayyaadha. Galatoomi, abbaan kee hoo, kan kee hoo. Kan kee hoo here, how about yours? Is referring to his dad because continued communication. Okay, after enough, I'm gonna ask you a question. My aunt in Oromo is. My aunt in Oromo is. What is she called? Hada kooti. Hada kooti. Hada kooti. Sorry, spelling is wrong. So ko should have been just ko. Hada kooti. There is no T I at the end of ko. Hada kooti. Hada kooti. B adada kooti. Adada kooti. C obboleettii kooti. Okay, my aunt in Oromo. Haadha kooti, adada kooti, obboleettii kooti. Which one is correct? Okay, thank you very much, and write your chosen answer with the correct one we choose. Write in the comment and I will give you feedback. Thank you very much and have a nice time. Bye bye.